Hello students, let's read this problem together. The net of an equilateral triangle pyramid and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. What is the total surface area of the triangular pyramid? So we are looking for the total surface area. And so if we look at the net for this triangular pyramid, we have one of the triangles is the base and the other ones are the lateral faces. So I'm going to mark this one right here in the center as my base. And so I'm going to call the rest of these my lateral faces. Now what I need to know is what is the base of this triangle. And what I notice is that from the base of the net right here, the side length of the net is 24. And that 24 is the distance across two bases of those triangles. So that would give 12 for this one and 12 for this one. Now I can see that all of these triangles are congruent. So if this is 12 and this is 12, then this is also 12. And so now I know the base. Also, since the triangles are congruent, I know that the height of these triangles are also 10.4. So basically we have 4 congruent triangles making up this triangular pyramid. So I'm going to find the area of that base. And the base of the triangle is 12 and the height is 10.4. So the area of a triangle is half of the base times the height. So the area is half of 12 times 10.4. So half of 12 is 6 times 10.4. The area is 62.4. So now let's look at the lateral face. Remember we said look at the lateral face. It's congruent to the base. It has a base of 12 and it has a height of 10.4, just like our base triangle. So we can just use the same area for the other 3. So basically what we have, once we have this area right here, is we have the area of 1 out of 4. So we're going to multiply it by 4. The total surface area is 62.4 times 4. So the total surface area is, I'm going to multiply that right here, 62.4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. We're going to carry 1. 4 times 2 is 8, and 1 more is 9. 6 times 4 is 24. And we have one number behind the decimal. So our total surface area is 249.6, and our units are square centimeters. So we found our total surface area, 249.6. Now I want to talk about another way we could do this one, and it's only because if I look at this triangular pyramid's net, all it is one big triangle. Do we see that? Can you see this big triangle? And if I just find the area of that triangle, we would have a base of 24, and the height from here to here, it's 10.4. And this is another triangle, so this would also be 10.4. So the total height is the height of two of those smaller triangles, which is 20.8. Okay, so now we would use our triangle formula, half of the base times the height, and we would use our dimensions, half of 24 times 20.8. So half of 24 is 12 times 20.8. And when we multiply those two numbers, we get 249.6. Okay, do you see that we got the same area? And it works because, like I said, the four smaller triangles, or the four triangles, the base and the three lateral faces, they are together just making this one large triangle. And so we could just find the area of that large triangle and we would get the same answer. So this is just another way. So I'm going to write here, this was the second way we could find the lateral surface area. Okay. So with our question, what is the total surface area of the triangular pyramid? If I look at my answers, the one that matches, my answer is C, 249.6. So the total surface area for this triangular pyramid is C, 249.6 square centimeters.